Hello, 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 all my bachas. Welcome at your channel, Maths for IIT. But you can see we are not doing this Maths for IIT. Yes, this is Maths for IIT, but you will later come to know that how these characters, this Vanaram, how this Vanaram will be there in Maths for IIT. Huh? Adhira and this Raja Krishnappa Barrier, you know already what these people are doing here on Maths for IIT. So we will get to know. We will get to know. See what is the situation. You all have watched the movie Chapter 2 KGF. That is all about the Kolar gold fields. And at the end of this chapter 2, what has happened? That Vanaram is the main security guard. He is the one who takes care of all the unwanted people entering into KGF. So he is the main architect, main commander. But because of some time, Adhira was silent. He was inactive. So Vanaram and his entire army all became lazy, lenient, stopped training his guards, started playing this PUBG, Free Fire, started this biryanis, curd, like all mixing, Chinese food. And you can see in the movie, you have seen him so like serious villain, but now he has become all model. Vanaram the model. Because of laziness, because of lack of threat, it happens to you also. When exam is not nearby, you become lazy. You work more on your hairstyle, on your mustache, on your beard, and girls also like on the nails, on this mehendi, many things. It happens, you can relate. Same happened to Vanaram also. Ate lots of Chinese food. What happened? Vanaram got loose motion. He is never in the field. He is never in the KGF. He is always in the washroom. So because he is in the washroom, Rocky Bhai is getting tensed that if this is happening, then how I can save my kingdom? Rocky Bhai has decided that Vanaram loose motion is not coming in the control. So he will send yes, so bachas, Rocky Bhai is very tensed. He has decided that loose motion of Vanaram is not getting cured. It will be a big threat for him and all the people of KGF. So he has decided that he will send Vanaram to Switzerland, and he has decided he will be out from 1st to 15th June. You can see lots of heat is there. So this Adhira got to know this, and he wants to take advantage of this situation. He wants to regain his territory, his kingdom once again. So he is planning attacks from 1 to 15, but Adhira army is very weak. They cannot win, they cannot conquer entire KGF in one day. They want 4 days. Reason is very simple. They don't have money. If one day they are fighting, next day they have to go for work to arrange some money and then plan the next attack. So they will attack on 4 days, but out of the 4 days, no 2 days will be consecutive. Let us understand by some example. See, in Adhira stomach, I have made six bullets. He eats more bullets. So out of 6 bullets, if you have to select 3 bullets such that no two of the bullets are consecutive, then we study in P and C. Formula is n minus r plus 1 CR. Number of ways of selecting R object out of N object so that no two of them are consecutive is given by this formula. Right? You can see the boss. Red eyes. He wants to save his territory. He wants to know, he knows this thing, that the crime master will attack not on consecutive days. He will attack on 4 days, and no 2 days will be consecutive because he is very poor fellow. Adhira, very poor. So uh, KGF star wants to know that in how many ways he will attack KGF. Same formula we'll use, n minus r plus 1 CR, because this is the number of ways of selecting R object out of n if no two are consecutive. So n minus r plus 1 CR. 15. So 15 is n. 4 days attack. So R is 4. N minus r plus 1 CR. 12C4. 495. So 495 ways Adhira can attack. So Rocky Bhai has to make the plan so that he is nullifying all the attacks made by these 495 ways. So this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2020 and paper 2 question number 13. They were asking that one engineer wants to go to factory for between 1 to 15th June, No 4 days should be consecutive. So n minus r plus 1 CR 495 was the answer. You can see this formula. This formula is so helpful that it is helping him to save the KGF, Kolar gold fields, where only golds are there. So if he can save his KGF using this formula, all of you can enter into the IITs by using this formula. Why? This formula is so important that straightforward they have asked questions 2 to 3 times on this. And just you have to apply this formula. That also in advanced. Formula based question in advance. Very rare. And if it is coming, definitely we'll get the full marks out of it. Okay, bachas. So this was the moral of the story. Don't forget this formula. It is helping him to keep him away from his territory. So it will help you a lot. All right. So this was for today. And thank you. Thank you.